Hi Asad, this is Ruby speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started at the 9 a.m. in the morning my work, and first of all I opened my mail address as well as, and also do my ad for KGG as your instruction, and then I go to my regular work today. It is a scheduled work of RSR BRK, actually Blue Knife. Yesterday I sent them a mail for their new inventory, but they didn't send any inventory to me, and for that I work on previous inventory file. So today I work on that, and I got some product, actually not much actually. I set it on here on my channel, so please check this detail here, and also work on in the evening I also do my KG ad also. So this is my work actually today. So tomorrow we'll meet again. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.